In the heart of England lies a landscape shaped by wind, water, and time, the Peak District. Today, I'm exploring some of its most enchanting spots, from deep gorges to ancient woodlands, each telling a story carved into stone and moss dot. There's beauty, history, and adventure waiting at every turn. Let's explore the Peak District. Number 1. Winnats Pass. There's something magical about watching the sunrise at Winnats Pass. As the first golden light spills over the jagged limestone cliffs, the entire valley comes alive. The winding road below glows in the early mist, surrounded by steep green hills that feel almost otherworldly. Nestled in the heart of the Peak District, Winnats Pass is one of England's most dramatic natural landscapes, a hidden gateway carved by ancient seas and shaped by time. The name itself means windy gates, and you'll understand why as the breeze rushes through the narrow gorge. It's a favorite spot for photographers, hikers, and anyone chasing that quiet, awe-inspiring beauty of nature. Whether you drive through it or hike up to the viewpoints above, Winnats Pass offers a sense of freedom and wonder that stays with you long after the sun has risen. There's a place in the Peak District that feels like stepping straight into a fairy tale, Padley Gorge. As the morning mist weaves through ancient oak trees and the sound of rushing water echoes all around, you can't help but slow down and just take it in. Padley Gorge is a deep, wooded valley near Grindleford, where Burbage Brook tumbles over moss-covered rocks and fallen branches. The air here is cool and damp, filled with the scent of pine and earth. And in summer, the sunlight filters through the leaves in golden streams dancing across the water. It's a paradise for walkers, photographers, and anyone looking to escape the noise of everyday life. The trails wind gently through the gorge, leading you past waterfalls, ancient woodland, and stone bridges that look like they've been here forever. If you follow the path upstream, you'll reach Longshore Estate, a peaceful National Trust area with open moorland and breathtaking views. In autumn, the whole landscape bursts into shades of gold, amber, and deep red. It's one of the most beautiful spots in all of the Peak District. And even on rainy days, when the rocks glisten and the streams swell, Padley Gorge has a special kind of charm, wild, untamed, and deeply soothing. Whether you come for a quiet walk, a picnic by the brook, or just to listen to the water flow, Padley Gorge reminds you how magical nature can be when left untouched. It's not just a place you visit, it's a place you feel. So next time you're in the Peak District, follow the sound of the stream and let Padley Gorge show you its quiet, timeless beauty. Number 3. Hope Valley. Just a short walk from Padley Gorge, the Hope Valley is the perfect place to watch the sun set over the heart of the Peak District. As the sky turns gold and pink, the light drapes over rolling hills, stone walls, and quiet farms, painting the valley in warm, peaceful hues. From here, you can see the dramatic ridges of Win Hill and Lewes Hill, and the winding River Noe catching the last glow of the day. It's a scene that feels timeless, calm, open, and full of that deep countryside charm. Whether you're ending a long hike or just pausing to breathe in the view, the Hope Valley captures everything that makes the peak so special. Big skies, soft light, and a sense of quiet wonder as the day fades away. Number 4. Snake Woodland. As the morning light filters through the trees, Snake Woodland feels like a hidden world waiting to be discovered. Tucked along the Snake Pass in the Peak District, this ancient woodland is a peaceful escape from the winding roads and dramatic peaks nearby. Moss carpets the forest floor, streams trickle between roots, and the air carries that fresh, earthy scent that only deep woodlands have. It's home to oak, birch, and pine, and if you're quiet, you might spot deer moving silently through the trees or hear birds echoing through the canopy. In autumn, the forest glows with shades of amber and gold, and in spring, bluebells blanket the ground like a dream. Whether you're hiking, photographing, or just breathing it all in, Snake Woodland is a reminder that the quietest places often leave the strongest impressions. Number 5. Blue Lagoon of Buxton. At first glance, the Blue Lagoon of Buxton looks like a tropical paradise, vivid turquoise waters shimmering under the Derbyshire sun. It's hard to believe this stunning sight lies in the heart of the English countryside. But behind that beauty lies a hidden truth. The Blue Lagoon isn't natural, it's a former limestone quarry. And that dazzling color comes from the way sunlight reflects off calcium carbonate in the water. Unfortunately, that same chemistry makes it highly alkaline, almost as toxic as bleach. Despite warning signs and even attempts to dye it black, visitors still come here, drawn by its unreal color and eerie calm. It's a powerful reminder that nature and human industry often collide, creating beauty that's both fascinating and dangerous. So admire the Blue Lagoon of Buxton from afar, a breathtaking sight that teaches us not everything beautiful is meant to be touched. And number 6, Lud's Church. Hidden deep within the moss-covered woodlands of the Peak District, there's a place that feels almost untouched by time: Lud's Church. If you go early, when the forest is still and the air is heavy with mist, you can almost feel the secrets this place has kept for centuries. Lud's Church isn't a church at all, but a deep, narrow chasm, carved by a landslip in the gritstone millennia ago. Towering walls of dark, damp rock rise up nearly 60 feet high, draped in thick green moss and ferns. As you step inside, the temperature drops and the sunlight fades. It's like walking straight into a storybook. Legend says this was once a hidden place of worship for followers of the Lollards, a banned religious group in the 15th century who met here in secret to escape persecution. Some even say that Robin Hood himself once sought refuge here. But perhaps the most famous tale connects Lud's Church to the medieval poem Sir Gawain and the Green Knight. Many believe this eerie gorge inspired the Green Chapel, the mysterious setting where Gawain meets the Green Knight. Today, Lud's Church is a beloved hiking destination, offering both tranquility and mystery. The walk through its narrow passageways feels like a journey through time, a reminder of how nature, history, and myth can blend together in one unforgettable place. If you listen closely, above the soft drip of water and the rustle of leaves, you might just hear the echo of the legends that still linger in the shadows of Lud's Church. The Peak District is more than scenery, it's a feeling. A reminder of how ancient and alive the land still is. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to see more places like this, please subscribe for more scenic journeys.